welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today is Saturday, and for today's video, I have a thrift haul for you guys. It isn't the biggest haul I've ever gotten, but I think we found some pretty cute items, a couple pieces of furniture that I'm excited for, and so I thought I would show them to you. So without further ado, I will get started on the things that we found. So firstly, I almost put this little lady back. I kept debating just because it's a Christmas item and something that will have to go into my stash for a while. But in the end, I went ahead and got her. I just thought she was really pretty. $4.99, which isn't a horrible price. And I think she'll be gorgeous for a Christmas display. So I grabbed that. Then I actually found some chickens. Chickens have been hard to find lately. It's weird. But I found these two. This one I got for $1.99. He is really dirty, and I am probably going to give him a paint job. And then I found this guy, this little rooster, as well, and I thought he was cute, and I will probably give him a paint job as well, and he was $4.99. So I've got a little chicken vignette that I kind of try and keep going in my shop, and so I will paint these guys up and add them to that. All right, then turkey. I found this ceramic turkey. I thought he was super cute. Obviously, I'm going to have to store him until Thanksgiving, but he was a blue tag item, and so that made him $2.50. And I have a hard time sometimes finding things that are actually for Thanksgiving. I have a lot of fall, but not so much turkeys and that sort of stuff. So I grabbed him. I thought he'd be cute for Thanksgiving display. And then I found this cute little bird. He was $2.99. He's in kind of terrible shape. He's got some chippiness going on and some paint that's chipped off, but I will give him an upcycle, do some painting, and get him cute again, and then put him out for sale. And for $2.99, I just couldn't pass him up. There were two others just like him. One of them, the face was broken off, and the other one, the whole chest area was completely gone, and they still wanted $2.99 each for them. So I only grabbed this guy. Then this cat is ceramic. It was $3.99. I just think it's cute. I have a lot of customers who love kitties. I am going to give this a paint job. I am not keen on these black squinty eyes, so I will probably just morph them into whatever paint job I decide to put on him. But I just thought he was cute. And I've got a couple of brass Siamese cats in my shop already that I will put with him, and they'll make a cute little vignette. Then I found this pretty little piece of milk glass. I love milk glass. I know it's not super popular, but I love it. I just think it's pretty. This was $3.99. I loved the design on it. And so I'm just going to wash it and put it out in my shop. Then I found this cute little pitcher. It was $1.99. So pretty. I'm always looking for little pictures like this, bigger pictures like this, neutral pictures, and they're so hard to find that don't have fruit or grapes or something on them. I like them to just be kind of neutral, and so I couldn't pass this one up. I thought it was very pretty. My husband found this little framed piece of art. We were honestly looking for some artwork and didn't find much. I have sold almost all of my wall art at this point, so I really need to do some recycling and restocking and getting some things done. So, but I thought this was pretty. I'm pretty sure it looks like a Thomas Kincaid. I'm not absolutely positive that's what it is, but it's pretty, and it was only $5.99, so I went ahead and grabbed it. I will probably paint the frame on this a different color to match more of the colors that are in the picture itself, and then put it out. I thought this set was very pretty. I am not a huge blue person. I don't do a ton of blue, but I have a few items in the shop that are blue. But this was so pretty, you guys, and I just couldn't pass it up. It was $7.99, which was probably a little bit more than I would have wanted to spend, but it was just too cute to leave. So I went ahead and grabbed it and brought it back. We hit one yard sale. I picked up this piece of milk glass at the yard sale. It was $1. So, and again, I will just put it in. I love my vintage silver that kind of has the tarnish on it with my milk glass. So I've got a display of it, so I'll add this to that display. And another Christmas item, this vase looks handmade. It's got a signature on it, but it looks like a just local artist or something. But it has the holly leaves and the little berries, and it's just cute. It looks like a little luminary of some sort, and so I will put this away and put it out for Christmas time. And then this beautiful chippy metal candle holder was $4.99. I liked the shape of it. I always like these metal candle holders. It has the little button thing on the top. I'm going to see if I can't get that off just because I don't like them. But it's cute and kind of shabby chic, and it will be a great riser for something in my displays. And the only other small thing that I found was a bag of knobs. So they were all in this big baggie. There were a bunch of hinges and just some things are new, like from Hobby Lobby. There's like 3 of these in here, these little knobs. There's a couple of old casters for like a dresser, and I actually need one of these for a dresser that I have. A bunch of old hardware for old dressers and stuff that came off. Anyway, it was a huge bag full of stuff like that, and it was $2. So at the same yard sale that I got the milk glass. So I spent a whopping $3 and came back with all that hardware and the piece of milk glass. I've got this hair that is tickling my face, you guys. It's driving me bananas. Anyway, and then on to furniture. So we found a few pieces of furniture, nothing to get really excited about, plain kind of tables. So there are 2 of these. They were $7.99 each. They have little drawers. They both have different knobs. I don't know if you can see the front of this one down here. They're both really kind of wobbly, but I looked at the screws underneath. They can absolutely be tightened back up again. I'll probably add a little bit of glue when I do that just to make sure that they stay. And they're matching. So I thought it was a good opportunity to do a set of tables. I usually sell sets pretty well. So these will be a future project that I'm hoping to get started on relatively soon. And then lastly, I got this table, and it is very, very heavy, and it's pretty. It's got this pretty design on the top of it, but don't fall in love with it, you guys. It's got a shelf down here. I think the legs are metal. It's got little metal feet on it, and I love the shape. The only thing to note is that I thought when I first saw it was real wood, but it is not. It's got a chip on the bottom shelf where you can see that it's MDF, so it's nothing that I'm going to ruin by painting. It's not some antique or anything like that. So I am going to paint this somehow. Not really sure exactly what I'm doing with it yet, but it's going to get a paint job and some pretty fabric or maybe transfers or something on the top of it. And I'm sad that I'm going to be painting over the pretty flowers, but there are so many scratches in this, and there's just nothing I can do to sand it down. It's paper over MDF, and so sanding it would just ruin it anyway. So it's just gonna get a redo, but I'm excited. Again, I love the shape of it, and it was $20, but I used a 20% off coupon, so I got a few dollars off. So basically, what, $16 then? So not a bad price, and you guys will see something fun I do with it later on down the line. So anyway, but that is it, you guys. It wasn't, like I said, a huge haul, but I was excited to get a few smaller pieces of furniture. I do tend to sell them pretty well here in the cottage. I'm really looking for another console table. or a small dresser. So hopefully one of these days I'll run across those. But at any rate, I hope you liked my items that I found today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that, you guys. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And then, of course, just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know if you had a favorite item in my haul from today. Just a quick reminder, too, I do carry a full range of DIY products here in my cottage. I carry DIY paint and products, as well as Sweet Pickins milk paint and products, Recycled Treasures decoupage papers, and Redesign with Prima. So if you're in need of anything, please check those out there. And then let's see, for Wednesday's video will be the next one. I am hopefully going to get started on these little tables. That's my plan. If not, I've got some art that needs an upcycle and several other items in my stash too. So we will see. It will be something, either a furniture flip or a thrift flip, one of those two things. So I hope you'll join me back here on Wednesday for that. Until then, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend and beginning of the week. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it. And I will see you back here on Wednesday. Bye.